Sid, what are you doing?
Oh, making mommy.
Oh, yeah? What are you doing there? What do you have?
No.
What are those called? What are the white things called?
Oh, no. Marshmallows.
Oh.
Sid, there's a whole bunch of new crackers.
So what's your job, Sid? What are you doing right now?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Cooking.
Oh, you're cooking.
What step are you doing?
This one.
That's the step you're standing on.
What's your job? What did Mommy ask you to do?
I don't know.
I give you the marshmallows, and what do you do with them?
But I'm a cracker.
Yeah.
What kind of crackers are those?
Love crackers.
Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm.
Should Mommy help by putting some on here?
Mm-mm-mm.
Okay. Keep going, Sid. We got a lot to do. Each cracker needs a marshmallow.
Sid. Hey,
Yeah.
Sid. Good job.